Single chamber fish tank style cases. Market have been heating up. Earlier last year, DeepCool had launched CG580 version 1. It was a complete retro case with disco lights and all. Now they have improved the same case with a lot of new features, and I'm gonna show you, and you are in for a surprise. So like I said, this comes with this new FT12 reverse fans, and there is one forward fans. So now I'll show you the I/O. There is a power button, LED light control, 2 USB 3, 1 type C, and then combined audio jack. So the rear panel comes off like this, and there is a dust filter in the side. So this case comes with a pre-installed hub. You can control both the ARGB and the PWM in this, and this case supports the back to front motherboards. So let me do a build with this and then show you how it looks.